Hi, I am Arun Karthik. I am doing my MTech in the stream of Embedded System Technology in Veltech Technical University. My project title is TechViews, Steganography and Image Fusion for Standard Images. My content is Abstract, Introduction, Objectives, Steganography, Proposed Work, Design, Future Enhancement and Reference. My abstract is I am going to introduce a new approaches called StegViews, that's called Steganography and Image Fusion. My new approach research methodology in the form of steganography and image fusion. In image fusion, we are combining two images to generate a single images. We are combining two different related information and we are retrieving those two information from a single images. I am using the cryptography techniques, that is called encryption decryption techniques. My introduction: in real world, we are developing a rapid information sharing time to time in every days. So that way, we need some protection from sender to receiver. In already olden days, we are having the steganographic technique, even though there is a third party intruder to retrieve the information from an secure part. So that's why I am enhancing with the steganography and image fusion. And the information sharing between the network is not reliable. The threats also evolving day to day life while internet using with the technologies. The cryptography play a major role in these techniques. Although the cryptography and steganography provide security, even though there is some advanced system we need. To overcome this real world problem, we are proposing a new novel algorithm called StegViews. There is a tremendous growth in network leading data transfer sharing. So the security level technique also high. Even though the third party interference deal with some hijacking information from this technique, even though they are using the cryptographic technique, so we are proposing a new novel network called steganography is commonly used by this algorithm. My objectives: my aim goal of this project is to achieve a high-end security in the real-time processing data from the hidden by using image processing technique. I am using the two-tier architecture, that is steganography, and one more is image fusion. The steganography is an image portion over a wrapping a good area of a good image by using curved additional transform. It gives additional security of my theme. This is my research work to enhancing a image quality. Steganography, we know all of them are steganography. The steganography is embedding a digital data. It may be a text or image or the combination of text and video. The steganography is a term applied number of process which hide a message with an object or a hidden message. It will not be apparent to the observer. Next, cryptographic. In the cryptographic is a combination of encryption and decryption. Is a lot of technique is there. Here I am using the asymmetric technique. What is the difference between asymmetric and symmetric technique? First we are going to see about the symmetric key based infrastructure. Symmetrical technique is nothing but sender and receiver use a common key for encryption, both encryption and decryption. It is faster, but if you are lost any key, if someone will steal that key and they will retrieve the information from that, even though it is faster compared to asymmetric. But compared to asymmetric is highly secured. In this asymmetric technique, both sender and receiver use a different key for encryption decryption technique. That is called public and secret key. That public key is called asymmetric key for encryption and secret key for decryption. The public key is distributed insecure, but secret key never will transmitter. That a receiver only know what is that decryption key. It is slower, but it will be secured. In this steganographic algorithm, I am using that modified bit encoding, that is called as LSB, least significant bit algorithm. Today, a computer image is represented in 24 bit of each color pixel. That each pixel is combination of RGB, that is 8 bit is stored the intensity of red, 8 bit store the intensity of green, and 8 bit store the intensity of blue. It have that 0 to 255 distinct value. We can write a code to manipulate that LSB, toggling the value. We cannot it cannot captured by the observer. It a little bit modification in the last bit of pixel, because there is a wide range of color. Human eye cannot be distinguished between very similar shadow of the color. For example, there is a orange color. Here we are taking that RGB. Here first color is orange, second also orange, but there is a difference in that ratio RGB. Here 126, here 127. There is a little bit difference, we cannot capture by the observer. This is a block diagram of steganography. Sender can receive the carrier image encrypted by the cryptographic technique. We are encrypt that secret file through the encryption. While transmitting, the cover image will be sent to the receiver. By using that asymmetric key, they are receiving that secret key from this file. This is common steganographic. While we are introducing our image fusion, this is the main advantage of this steganographic technique. Image fusion is merging two different images in order to retrieve the more information from these images. In the image fusion, mostly they are using in medical field and remote sensing. I am using in that steganographic field for security purpose. In that medical field, they are using for diagnosing purpose. While we are taking for example in MRI scan and CT scan, in MRI scan it only focusing only on bone. In MR scan it only focusing on only the tissue. By using that two we can use to diagnose for the patient, any patient. This is more, that's why we are taking one images and second images, and we are get together and we are gathering from more information from that is image fusion. In here we are also using that image fusion technique. Here the Cowler transform is one of the advantages. Here the Cowler transform built a automatic continuous curve when it found discontinuous. And my proposed work, that is called steganography and image fusion. Steganography and image fusion is a combination of StegFuse. This is my encryption output which I have got as an output. Here we are going to do that encryption and decryption. Here the encryption part is we are adding that input images. It may be any JPEG, BMP or any format, and we are loading the what are the secret file which are going to encrypt in that images. By using the encryption, that file will be encrypted in that encryption. And second one is we are doing that image fusion. That image fusion, that carrier image is a good image, and we are encrypted into that second image. This one is decrypt, that is called distorted images. In that distorted images, we are by using the Cowler transform, we are exactly found the discreted image, distorted portion. In that we are by using that LSB technique, we are encrypted that information file, and that we are combining that steganography, that is called as encryption file, stegno images and carrier image. It is a good image. By using that image fusion, we are fusioning that two images, and that we are getting that fused images. By using the decryption output, we are getting that retrieving from that decryption part, we are getting that decrypted, that is called as information file. My design flow is, I will show my image fusion technique. In that Cowler design, I am just adding that information file, and that is called as steganography file, and that carrier file is good images file. This one distorted, this one good images. By using the Cowler transform, we are going to map, that is called that information file, it will be in pixel based, and good images file, that is called window based file, it is in window based technique. So we have to convert it into pixel based to window based. By using the Cowler transform, we can map this window based to pixel based to window based, and then we get that exact output of this program. By using this technique, I am just enhancing in future. By using this in future, I would like to extend my work by using that by adding that providing that key while we are doing that fusioning technique, and we are also diffusion by that retrieving data. This is used for communication purpose. This is only for security purpose I have designed, and this is my reference. Thank you.